Alright, this watch I got in a trade. I'm trying to play my deep blue. Jug 5 USA, which is a cool watch, but it wears very thick on me. I do not really care for the way it wears. So I got rid of it, traded for this. Laco. This is information about the movement. Laco 21. Okay. This is I'm not a German speaker, but an Augsburg Blaue Stunde 39 automatic with the 21, which is a Miata 8015 derived movement. Hang tag and the warranty card. This thing was purchased March 28th, 2022 through Watch Gang. Here's one of the stickers, fell off. Sticker off of here. I like that blue sunburst dial. It's a nice size at 39 millimeters. A little on the thick side, but it's not crazy by any means. Not like the watch I traded for it.